CBSE Mathematics, Class 9, Probability. Probability. The words probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. are used. Probably rains means it may or may not rain. Probability, an experimental approach. Probability of getting head. Number of times head comes up divided by total number of times the coin is tossed. Probability of getting a tail. Number of times tail comes up divided by total number of times the coin is tossed. I toss a coin 10 times. I got 6 heads and 4 tails. Probability of getting head is 6 by 10. Since I got 6 heads, it is 6 by 10, that is 0.6, 0.6. Probability of getting tail. Since I got 4 tails, that is 4 by 10, that is 0.4. Second question. A coin is tossed 1000 times. Head is 455 and tail is 545. Probability of getting head is 455 divided by 1000. Probability of getting tail is 545 divided by 1000. That is expectation E1 equal to 0.455, E2 equal to 0.545. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2. 0.455 plus 0.545 is 1.00, that is 1. Two coins are tossed 500 times and we get E1 equal 2 heads 105 times, E2 equal 1 head, that is 275 times, E3 no head equal to 120 times. Probability of getting E1 is 105 divided by 500, that is 0.21. Probability of get E2 275 divided by 500, that is 0.55. Probability of E3 120 divided by 500, that is 0.24. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2 plus probability of E3 is 0.21 plus 0.55 plus 0.24, that is 1.00, which is 1. Probability of E is 1. Hope this is clear. Thank you.